In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your EA account from Steam without needing access to your email. This process can be very helpful if you've lost access to your old EA account or no longer have the email linked to it. Before we begin, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and keeps these tutorials coming. To get started, open any web browser on your PC and go to help.ea.com. This is the official EA Help website where all account and support issues are handled. Once you're on the site, look at the top left corner and click on Help by Topic. From the drop-down menu, choose EA Account. This will take you to a page dedicated to account-related issues such as login problems, account recovery, and unlinking connected accounts like Steam, Xbox, or PlayStation. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that page and you'll see a Contact Us button. Click on it to start the process. If you can't sign in because you don't have access to your EA email, don't worry. EA allows you to continue as a guest. You'll see a link that says Continue as Guest. So click that option to move forward. Now, you'll see a form that you need to fill out. Enter your first name, last name, and a working email address that you currently use. EA will use this email to contact you and update you on your request, so make sure it's an active one. In the section that asks about the issue you're having, type Unlink. You'll see a few suggestions appear. Choose Unlink my EA account. Then, when it asks for the platform, select Steam PC. In the description box, explain your situation clearly. You can write something like, I want to unlink my EA account from my Steam account, but I no longer have access to the email associated with my EA account. Please help me verify my ownership and unlink the account. After submitting your request, EA's support team will review it and may ask for some additional details to confirm your identity. This could include things like your Steam username, the games you own, or past transaction details from Steam or EA purchases. Once they confirm your identity, they'll manually unlink your EA account from Steam, allowing you to link a new EA account or fix the issue. The response time may vary depending on support availability, but usually you'll get an update by email within a few days. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder for any messages from EA. And that's it. That's how you can unlink your EA account from Steam without needing access to your email. It's a safe and official method to recover your connection and get your games working again. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.